So is your wish list with 31 a mile long? Well, I'm actually fixing to make it just a little bit longer. Don't hate me. Well, actually, you're probably going to love me when you can get a hold of these products. They are so amazing. So have you ever thought about grabbing some girlfriends together, whether it be in person or online, sharing your shopping link or passing around the catalogs, getting some orders, and then you get the rewards, the insider rewards this spring with 31. So I'm going to share with you some of the products that only our insiders can get their hands on. Customers cannot get their hands on these items, and they are amazing. So you'll want to share 31, share that shopping link, have a fun party on Facebook, whether it be like a bingo party. I'm doing bingo parties. I'm doing 15-minute, 31-minute parties. Quick, easy, done, fun, right? And then you get to earn the Hostess rewards. So you start earning Hostess rewards at the $200 level. So that's about 4 to 5 average orders. And then you have started earning Hostess rewards. You started earning free credits, half price items, and Hostess only gifts, insider gifts. And then the more you move up, of course, the more you're going to earn. At that $500 level, you're going to earn $100 in free credits, two half price items, and then 2 of these insider exclusives. At that $1,000 level, you're going to earn $200 in free products, 2 half price items, and 2 of these exclusives that I'm showing you are going to be free. Free personalization on all of our exclusives as well. So I'm going to show you the ones, our new ones at first. The first one I'm really excited about is the Thirty-Onebrella. This is an umbrella that you can personalize the flap, the wraparound Velcro strap. I love this. So this is in the garden sketch print, and so I'm gonna undo this right here, and you can see that I have my name personalized there in hot pink in the, I think it's the signature font, but I love this because it's wide. It is wide, and you've got that big Velcro strap right there. So I like that. It's not just a thin, skinny strap. It's a wide strap, and it can be personalized. And then it comes in 2 colors. This is the garden sketch. Are you guys going to flip out if I open this? I'm not superstitious. Okay, I'm just going to hit the button. Ah! So, love this. This is also a great gifting idea, too. And then when you open it up, it just Velcros the flap onto the other side. So you have it just like this. So you've got that silver button right there to open this. And when you want to close it, just pull it down. And then unstrap it here and then Velcro it back. So I got the black because the interior of my car is black, and so I wanted it to match. It also comes in the terrazzo pebble, which is kind of like a slate blue and little pebbles, sprinkles. It's really, really pretty. All right, so that's the 31Umbrella. It's $15. So when you host a party, you can get it for $15. Only hostesses can get that. If your party reaches, of course, that $1,000 level, you can get it for free. The next item is the Fold and Fun mat, okay? This is in the Vista stripe, and I personalized mine with the new pineapple. It says always be sweet. That's the marigold and the Kelly green, and this is in navy. The straps are in navy. So when you're going to the ball field, when you're going on a picnic, you can carry this mat right here on your shoulder. You've got a big deep pocket right here on the front, and then what you're going to do is to open it up, you're just going to kind of pull it out from inside. So I'm just going to pull this out right here, open it up, and it's going to unfold into a huge mat. So this is absolutely huge. My arms are stretched out as far as they will go. So this has the vinyl feel on both sides. So you've got this vinyl feel, and then, well, actually this side's more of that, like that kind of canvas feel. But this is great, like if there's just dew on the ground, you can lay this over that way. Or this is great for the bleachers at the, concrete bleachers. They get hard after a while. It's also might be great to kind of just shield the wind off of you as well. So whatever you decide to use this for, even at the beach, sand will just roll right off here. It's not going to stick to it. So this would be great. It's heavy duty. So, I mean, it will lay flat very, very well. And then you guys can have it just like this. So that's called the Fold and Fun mat. It is $30 for hostesses, or you could earn it for free. All right, the next item is the one I'm really, really excited about. This is our large utility tote, cargo, only used to, we had a large utility tote cargo before, but this one is actually thermal line. So it's kind of the same style as our old large utility tote cargo, okay? You've got heavy duty canvas. You've got a zipper pouch right here to store things. Just like that. You've got a big webbed handle if you need to grab it, pull it out of your trunk. You also have a place back here to store a yoga mat or a beach towel. I have one of our old 31 beach towels just put in here just to kind of show you what that looks like. And then you also have a mesh pocket right here to store things like keys, chapstick, cell phone, and then you've got that handle on this side. You can, of course, personalize our exclusives for free. Mine says keep it cool in a navy in the blackboard font, I think. So you can lift up this little flap right here, pull your strap through, and then you're gonna unzip this, okay? And it is thermal lined, and I have a ton of these things in here just to show you how big this large utility tote cargo thermal is. It has our leak lock lining in here, which means you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out. This is so amazing. So think about, for size comparison, you could put 3 gallons of milk. So in one row, you can have 3 gallons of milk there, and then the rest of your groceries on the other side. This is huge, and if you feel it so full, you're probably gonna have the man in your life tote this around, but you will be good to go for church dinners, for picnics, for the beach, all day beach, for your cooler. I mean, this is an awesome deal. So you can get the large utility tote cargo thermal for $40, free personalization, or you could earn it for free. All right, another item that I have my hands on, if you guys either hosted with me last fall or if you watched my video on my channel, then you will remember the Pack and Cubes, the Pack and Zip Trio. It is back because everyone loved them. Several different prints, but these are a great way to pack your clothes when you travel. So, I mean, when I traveled in January to Texas, it was cold, so I had really, really thick sweatshirts. I had 2 huge thick sweatshirts fit in this larger one. Then you have a medium-sized one, and then you also have a smaller one. So embroidered on mine, I have bottoms, tops, and undergarments, and it was perfect when I was traveling because everything was in its place. It was packed, and I knew exactly where to go when I was looking for a certain item. And then my bag, my luggage was not so messy. I loved being able to have everything organized because if you guys know me, I can't stand dump things. I have to have organization. Hence why I'm a 31 consultant. And then the last, these are the Pack and Zip. I have my cheat sheet right here. The Pack and Zip Travel Trio is $25, and you get free personalization on all 3 of those packing cubes, which is really nice. And then the last item that I don't have my hands on because it's a mystery. It's our mystery Hostess bundle. You can get this bundle for $25 or for free, and it has $75 worth of products in there. You don't know what it'll be. I don't know what it'll be, but they have been fantastic lately. And if you love a fun surprise, then that's probably the option for you. So how do you get your hands on all these products? By gathering some girlfriends together, hosting a party, whether it be online or in person, and I do bingo parties. I mean, we make it fun, and your friends you just share your shopping link that I give you, and then your friends can order on that link, and then you earn the insider rewards and get your hands on some of these products I just showed, free credits, and those half-price items. So I hope you'll consider hosting this spring, which is March, April, or May 2020. See y'all soon. Bye.